Nebraska!
Go Lincoln, Nebraska, huh?
Yeah.
That was close. It's Nebraska.
Nebraska, go Nebraska!
There, you got it there. All right. Well, it's Wednesday afternoon, about 4 o'clock. They put us in a tornado watch until 10 o'clock tonight. It's snowing out west. We're raining in the middle part of the state, and it really been really windy and cloudy and getting a little bit worse today. Let's check the mail. Nothing in there. Okay. Sometimes no news is good news. You can kind of see what I'm saying. You know, we're going to cloud up. There's a few small storms to the south of us headed our way, but it's just a little rumbling right now.
And 4 p.m. along the line from near Lincoln to Nebraska City, with storms moving east and northeast into southwest Iowa.
You need as an individual recover your sleep position. I also wanted a pillow that would last.
As of about 4:30 this afternoon, this is what the radar currently looks like. We are that little blue dot there in Lincoln. You can see storms just beginning to build up and swirl around. Then we got snow up to the west and north of us. That's probably why. Okay, we're learning Snapchat today together. We're working on emojis right now, aren't we?
Got it?
What's your favorite emoji so far? Acorns and heart-shaped smiles, right?
Done? You got it? Let's try again, dude.
Thank you for 33. QRZ Kilo Tango 7 India.
It's really nice out today. Lots of sunshine, some clouds here and there. Comfortable out. And Blake's holding down the fort by sitting behind the car for no reason. We got some flowers over here. Come on, Blake. You come with me. Yeah, listen to the police scanner in the background too. There's a couple of flowers over here trying to come up. Looks like one collapsed and everything when we had a little frost the other day. But the rose bushes are beginning to bloom pretty good too. What are you chewing on? I don't know. What are you twitching? Whoa, slow down, slow. And another NOAA 18 satellite piece. And the birds are just swooping all over through the backyard here. So they must see something going on around here. He's in a hurry for something. Well, it's evening time, just around 8 o'clock. I'm out just walking around getting some exercise. I'm trying to watch you now, and this is what happens. There we go. Just didn't find the Wi-Fi, and I'm on headphones right now, so you can't hear it. I'm watching this fool.
So it's 5 years old. I found a fossil that's 5 years old. This one is 15 years old, so it'd be probably like dead.
Right in front there. Okay. All right.
That one's 15 years old, so it's probably...
Okay, I gotta come through. Yeah, come on. Oh no. Oh no. Whoa. Lots of static.
I'm not too giant.
Lots of static on that one.